up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family, but you have to hit that red subscribe button. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. So it is Monday morning. I am up and ready. Got this nice little slick back bun going. Got on some new earrings. Y'all know I always wear like either my Chanel studs or I wear my Bottega dupes, but got some new earrings on this morning. And then, you know, I just have my rings, nice little bracelet. I love this top. It's like a color block, so it's white on this side with the black pocket, and then this side it's tan. And I got this from Shein. Let me see. I'm gonna step back so y'all can see. But yeah, it's super cute, and I just have on my Express black pants, and I actually got this belt from Amazon. I know I need to do like a little haul of the like office stuff that I bought because I did get some cute stuff. But it is Monday morning. It is early. It is, well, it's 7 o'clock now. I woke up at like 5:30 to get ready. It's just easier to wake up early because if I wait till like the last minute, this hair would be looking crazy. But since I wake up early, I'm able to like detangle it and put leave-in and all the things. I'm just taking my vitamins, y'all. Multivitamin, hair, skin, and nails with collagen, and my probiotic, prebiotic with cranberry. I'm good. It's like candy in the morning. I do need to make coffee. Y'all, I gotta go so far this morning. So me and my supervisor have a meeting at 9 a.m. And if you're from Charleston, you know the traffic is terrible, which I think the traffic is terrible everywhere now, but it's bad. And I already don't like a commute as it is, and this is pretty far. Like if I left now, it would take me an hour, and that's with the traffic not even being that bad. So I'm sure I'm probably gonna have to leave like, if not 7:30, at least 8 to give myself enough time to get there. But yeah, so today, like I said, I have that meeting with my supervisor at 9, and then I'm meeting up with my colleague. She's just going to show me like what works for her. We have the same position, but she's been doing it longer. So just to see what works for her, her little tricks, how does she speak to people, how does she get in the door, you know, things of that nature. And then we have a lunch that we have to go to, and then I'm gonna finish up my day with her. So that's the plan. When I can pick up my camera, I will. And if all fails, y'all will see me tonight. I am cooking tonight because we don't have anything to eat, unless we eat sandwiches, but I don't want a sandwich. So I do plan on cooking tonight, most likely pasta. I have like my whole grain paninis. I have ground turkey. I do have like tomato sauce and all the things. So it'll probably be something like that. That's what I'm thinking. And I do want to make my cucumber salad, so I might make that too. And I think I might eat my overnight oats while I am on my morning calls. I have 2 morning calls this morning. The second one I'll probably have to do in the car. Probably the first one too, who knows. But yeah, let's just get into this day. Y'all know how it go. We're taking it minute by minute, hour by hour, moment by moment, and we'll see what happens. But let's go. Y'all, it is still Monday. It is 7 o'clock. I am going to, I'm sorry y'all, I had to get the cutting board. I'm going to make my cucumber tomato salad. Today was not a good day, y'all. Y'all see me this morning. I was in a good mood. I was looking good, feeling good. Car battery died. Waited over 4 hours for a tow truck to jump me off. Went to go get a new battery. Then they were saying that they think it might be my battery and my alternator. Y'all know that's not cheap, right? So it was just a lot of emotions going on today. So I did not finish my day at work. I got a new battery. Turns out it wasn't my alternator. And I just came home because it was too many emotions for me, okay? It was too much. But now that I have had something to eat, had my glass of wine, got to watch a little TV show, got to cuddle with my man, I'm feeling a little better. Hoping tomorrow will be better. And I'm gonna make me a little cucumber and tomato salad because I've been talking about this for at least a week. So let's make it. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. To make the salad, we need a cucumber. I have some cherry tomatoes, and then I have these pearl mozzarella. So first, I'm gonna chop this up. I ain't gonna lie, might make me them salad jars too. But we'll see. We'll see. Alright.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your lover, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love?
When they say she get it from her mama say you fuck her right. Body rude is polite. Tell me in a humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Balls and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Talk about the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Just lay where the love is high. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. I do feel a lot better this morning. Yesterday took a lot out of me with the car, but we got a new battery. We got it put in. All is well. Alternator is fine, as far as they can tell. Okay, y'all. I called Firestone because they were literally the only people who had it in stock. Everybody else said they was gonna have to order it. Even Lexus. So Firestone were the only people who had it. And they're like the people who do like total care, total auto care. So they can do tires, brakes, alternator, etc. Amanda told me $786. $786. I don't think so, Amanda. I don't think it's happening today. I told Amanda real quick, I have to call you back. But after we got the new battery in there and they ran the test again, the alternator was fine. I think the alternator was showing that it was bad because, I mean, the alternator pulls from the battery. If the battery's dead, it ain't got nothing to pull from. So therefore, you can't tell if it's working or not. You know what I mean? I'm not a mechanic. This is just what Pat told me. Pat told me. I know I'm calling these people by name like I know them. Anyway, I made me some coffee, hot coffee. It is currently 30 something degrees outside. 38. It's a little chilly. I just took Chan out. So I'm gonna fix me some coffee. And then I have my conference call and I gotta take notes. Since I'm not running out the door and rushing, here lately I've been listening to the call in my car and I haven't been able to take notes. But I'm not meeting my supervisor till 10, so that gives me a little time and allows the traffic to die down. So yeah, I'm gonna take notes. And we'll see what happens on this day. We do have a couple of places we're gonna go, but hopefully after my conference call, I'll be able to talk to y'all. But I'll make my coffee real quick before my call.
You know you better watch out. Some girls are only about, some guys are only that thing. Oh, been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak.
All right, y'all, it is 9:05. All my calls are finished for the morning. I did take some notes and wrote some information down. And I don't know if y'all remember, this is the notebook that I got from Marshall's with the tabs. So this one is gonna be for my admissions call. This is gonna be accounts for the day. And I don't know what these last two tabs are gonna be, but we'll figure it out. We have all the time in the world. And then I did have my planner. I just wanted to insert some of the meetings that we have scheduled for the rest of this week and next week. I'm going to put the stuff in my work bag. I think I'm gonna put a belt on. I wasn't, because, you know, my belt is black and gold and I kind of have gray on, but I need a belt on because I just don't feel secure. Especially when you tuck, you know, when you tuck in your shirt, it just looks better when you got a belt on. Some girlies, they don't need a belt. I feel like I need a belt. And because it'll help make me look a little skinny too. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a belt on. We'll probably either see y'all in the car on my way home, or I'll see y'all when I'm home. Deal? Deal. Hey y'all, it is Tuesday, 6:30 after work. I'm cooking, sort of. I'm about to boil some eggs. I am going to cook some bacon and I am going to cook some noodles for my man. Today was a great day. If you can't tell, I'm in a way better mood than I was yesterday. I had a good day. I got to talk to some DONs, some administrators. I got to talk to some social workers. So today was very productive and I'm glad that I actually got to get in front of people. So yeah, here for that. Just finished fixing Bay's food. So now I'm about to eat and I think I'm just gonna have this. I think this will be delicious, and I still got some wine left over from yesterday. So I think that's what I am going to eat. I ain't gonna lie, I'm craving coffee, so I might nightcap with coffee after I eat. But yeah, I think I might eat this and my cucumber tomato salad, because I didn't take any for lunch today because we were just so on the go. So yeah, that's the plan. All right, y'all, this is what we got. We got bacon, we have a boiled egg, and I'm going to put them in his noodles. So here we are, babes. I did add my boiled eggs and my bacon. For seasoning, I like to do garlic and herb. I also used this, and I did red pepper because B likes a little kick. Dang, I need another bowl. Whew. All right, y'all. I am going to sit on the couch, binge watch The Resident on Netflix. It's real good. Y'all should check it out. And good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. Shoo. Surprise. I dyed my hair back black last night. Actually came out real good. I was a little nervous. I've never dyed my hair before. So I didn't know if it was gonna take or not, or if I ain't leave it in there long enough, you know, all the things. But no, it looks real good. Proud of myself. I did a great job. I'm taking my vitamins right now. I'm gonna fix me a cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. It is the Miss South Carolina workshop weekend. I have been asked to judge a pageant. Interviews start at 4. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get dressed here, get ready here, and head on to Columbia probably around 12. The latest is 1, because I mean, I'm sure traffic is gonna be rough because it's first rounds of the basketball tournament. And I believe they're playing in Columbia. So just to make sure I'm where I need to be and on time, I'm gonna leave a little early. But I'm probably gonna do all of that in a separate video. I think I'm gonna end this weekly vlog. I know we didn't do a lot and I apologize. This week was kind of crazy. Like my first week was crazy because, you know, it was my first week at the new job, but the second week was intense too. Like it started intense, like with my car trouble and, you know, just trying to get a good rhythm in the job. So I do apologize. We didn't do a lot. Hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you next time.